Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on bookmarking a tweet on Twitter. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When you are on the homepage of Twitter, tap on the share icon below the tweet that you would like to bookmark. Tap Bookmark from the options. To find your bookmarked tweets, tap on your profile icon from the top left of the homepage, and then choose Bookmarks from the list. Here you will find all of your bookmarked tweets. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Twitter tips and tricks.